In this presentation, we will cover how you will be taught throughout your degree of natural sciences and how you will be supported throughout the course. Let's start with teaching. The primary method of teaching delivery at university will be in the form of lectures. This is a very effective and efficient way to provide knowledge for the first time. And this will vary quite a lot with what you're used to at school and college, in the form that you will be in large lecture theatres with lots of students. Lectures are usually followed by smaller group teaching. This could be in the form of tutorials, seminars or workshops, where you will be applying the knowledge acquired in the lectures and to some problem-solving activities. This is usually complemented by practical work, and practical work may differ from one subject to another. So biology and chemistry, for example, we have a larger laboratory component, while the practical work in the science and archaeology, it looks more like field work. This is an example timetable for a Year 1 natural sciences student studying biology, chemistry and maths. So as you can see, there is a number of lectures throughout the week, but also other forms of a smaller group teaching, such as tutorial, workshop or study groups. Because this student is studying biology and chemistry, currently chemistry labs take place on Wednesday morning, while biology labs take place on Friday mornings. As you can see, Wednesday afternoons are left free from teaching sessions, and that's time reserved for a society and sports club activities. The form of assessment will also vary from one subject to another and also from one module to another, but primarily will be in the form of formal exams. They may be online or written paper exams, and then you will have other forms of assessment. So if you study biology, it's quite common to have essays in biology, and if you study chemistry, you will have a variety of different types of lab reports that you have to do throughout your degree. Equally, you might encounter portfolios and reports for different modules and different subjects. Let's look now at how you will be supported throughout your degree. You will have a personal tutor. This is a member of academic staff, most likely in one of the subjects that you are studying. This person will oversee your academic performance and provide you with pastoral care throughout your degree. In addition to the personal tutor, you will have subject advisors in each of the 9 different subjects that we offer. And you will approach the subject advisor with questions about optional modules, or which options they recommend in order for a specific career in that subject. You will also have peer mentors that we'll talk about later in the next slide. And we have other forms of support. For example, we have the support and well-being team that will help you to direct you to the different services available to you within the university, such as counseling services or the disability support services. The student experience manager looks after your student life cycle from the moment of application until after graduation, and organizes different activities for the students to connect with each other within the course. There is also the course director and associate director. Course director focuses on curriculum, while associate director focuses on the well-being and the personal tutoring system. And finally, there is a Natural Science Society, and this is a student society, and I will talk about this later on. We have a peer mentoring scheme within natural sciences. We have peer mentor groups that consist of 2 peer mentors. These are the students in years 2, 3, 4, and with a group of Year 1 students. You will have in common with at least one subject with your peer mentors. The idea is to ask them questions about how to adapt to university, about the student life and so on, that you might not feel comfortable or you might not get the answer from your personal tutors or any of the other members of academic staff within natural sciences. For example, why is the closest supermarket? They can also advise you about different modules that they have already taken and what the recommendations are. We also have a very lively and active student society. It gives us students within different years and different streams within natural sciences to meet up and interact with each other and create a community. And they organize a wide variety of socials. The best advice I can give you right now is to go and visit the Instagram page at UON NatSciSoc, and you can see the different activities they have organized in the last few months. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at naturalsciences@nottingham.ac.uk.